Hey guys, my name is Demi. In this video, I will show you how to choose the best shipping method for dropshipping orders. Before we start today's topic, I would like to share a piece of great news with you guys. CJPacket lines to the major countries like US, Europe, and Brazil, as well as the USPS to the US and USPS Plus, had another wave of price cuts on July 2nd. While shipping costs of other lines as epacket, China Post Registered Airmail, and PostNL are still going up. What even greater is, the delivery time of CJPacket lines to some major countries have been massively improved, almost the efficiency before the quarantine. By contrast, there are still bad delays for epacket. Many orders were delivered more than 2 months. I will share the specific shipping time to major countries in the following content, so watch to the end to find the delivery time to the countries you are concerned about. The following 3 questions are the most frequent questions about shipping for these days. How many days does it take to the US, UK, or somewhere? How much are the shipping costs? Will the shipping costs turn out more expensive than the estimated cost I calculated with CJ shipping calculation? And there are so many shipping options, which line should I choose? In this video, I am going to focus on these questions and explain in a detailed way, which will help you a lot with your problems. Make sure you are ready to dive into the content, and let's go! First and foremost, delivery time is the chief concern of dropshipping business under quarantine. I love to recommend some lines with better efficiency and better price to some major countries. All of the shipping times mentioned in the following part do not include the processing time, which takes 24 to 48 hours when there is inventory in CJ warehouse. If not, the processing time will be 3 to 5 days. The USA is the biggest market for dropshipping. For ordinary products to the US, CJPacket is mostly recommended. Delivery time is 7 to 12 days, the same as it was before the quarantine. A suboptimal solution is CJPacket YDS US or USPS. USPS takes 2 days faster. The delivery time is 10 to 20 days, but costs at least $1 more. And if the products are stocked in our US warehouses, the delivery time is 2 to 7 days by USPS Plus. To Canada, there are still delays nowadays because there are tons of backlogs for local post offices. It takes 15 to 25 days for recent orders. To Mexico, there were delays due to the e-commerce promotion for the past 2 months. The delivery time is the same as to Canada, about 15 to 25 days by CJPacket, CJPacket YW Ordinary, or CJPacket YW Sensitive. And to Australia, CJPacket Australia is the best choice. It takes 8-14 days, while CJPacket YW Ordinary, and CJPacket YW Sensitive takes 1 to 2 days longer. As to the UK, CJPacket Sensitive GB is the best choice. It takes 7 to 12 days. And here's the point. The line with the name of a specific country is a special line to the country, so the delivery time is promising. CJPacket and CJPacket Europe Ordinary are of efficiency. If your packet is heavier than 3 kg, you can choose CJPacket. The delivery time is 8 to 12 days. As to France, Germany, Italy, and Belgium, for these 4 European countries, CJPacket Europe Ordinary is the best choice. This line is the cheapest and fastest. The delivery time is 7 to 14 days. CJPacket and CJPacket YW Ordinary come next. The delivery time is about 8 to 16 days. As to Spain, Denmark, Sweden, and the Netherlands, CJPacket is the top choice. The delivery time is 9 to 18 days. To Southeast Asia, the recommended line is CJPacket JL Express. It takes 4 to 8 days to Thailand, 6 to 12 days to Singapore, and 7 to 14 days to Malaysia. The shipping costs are another concern of dropshippers. Shipping fees increased fiercely since the outbreak of COVID-19. The good news is it decreased gradually since May, but now still at a relatively high price, which influences the dropshipping price and margin massively. If you are checking the shipping fees on the product page, it's a quite simple way to know the shipping costs. Select the country you want to ship to, and then you will see the shipping lines available at each cost. From a result, we can find that the CJPacket lines have a considerable advantage over other lines. For this product, the shipping costs of the CJPacket lines are about $4.50, while USPS $5.65, epacket $5.58, and other lines cost much more. When you check with shipping cost calculation, if you do not select correctly, the result will be different from a final drop shipping cost for your orders. The shipping costs are not only influenced by the destination country and weight, but also by the attribute. This column is often ignored. There are 15 option boxes. Different lines are available for different attributes. All of lines can ship ordinary products, and when you select electronic, the available lines reduced from 13 to 8. And if you choose liquid contains, the available lines 10 to 2. About the attribute of a product, you can tell by yourself or refer to our product descriptions. You can find the product attributes on the product page. We can see that the attributes of this product is electronic and oversized. Let's try with shipping cost calculation. Check the attribute, and the weight is 5,050 grams. And count. Wow, 2 lines available, and the shipping costs are very expensive because the weight is very heavy. Now I hope you guys got the idea of how to choose an ideal shipping method. The fattest line may not available for products with some special attributes. Then choose a better one from the available lines. If you have any further questions, just leave a comment and I will answer your questions one by one. Smash a like and subscribe to us to help out with our channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon at the next video.